Further northeast in the border town of Qamishli, at least 50 people have been killed in a pair of suicide bombings. Daesh claimed responsibility. Now, both blasts hit buildings belonging to the PYD, the Syrian arm of the PKK terror group. Well, for more, let's speak to Ediz Tiyansan, who's in Gaziantep, near to the Turkey-Syria border. So, Ediz, hello again. Just tell us some more about those attacks in Qamishli.
Well, Kamali, this was a twin bomb attack in northeastern Syria. The city of Qamishli is literally just across the border from Turkey. And for a long time, the control of this city has been shared equally and peacefully between the Kurdish groups and the Assad regime. Now, we understand that Daesh has claimed responsibility for this attack in the past hours, and they were targeting specifically the Kurdish group PYD and its military wing YPG, which is also the Syrian offshoot of the PKK terror group that is based here in Turkey. We understand that there were two bombs involved in the attack. The larger explosion came from a car bomb, bombs that were laden in a large truck, and the second explosion came by a motorbike, bombs that were mounted on a motorbike. Now, the latest numbers we received is that the number of casualties rather has increased up to 50, and more could be confirmed in the upcoming hours. But what's also significant to note is that YPG has been receiving both training and support from the United States to fight Daesh actively in the region. So we understand that this is most likely a comeback from Daesh to strike YPG in a city that is known to host some 200,000 IDPs from the nearby cities and towns.
Well, Ediz, that's Qamishli. Just to explain what's happening in Aleppo, as there's been an escalation in the fighting there too.
Yes, indeed. We have seen a turning point back in July the 7th. That's when the Assad regime has captured what's known as the Castello Road. Now, that was the only corridor in and out of the eastern rebel-held part of Aleppo. As you know, Aleppo is the largest city. It's the heart of this conflict where the rebels are fighting Assad. But for the past 2 weeks, ever since Assad has effectively established a siege on the eastern part of the city, they have been tightening their grip. And we have seen just yesterday that they've also taken a northwestern neighborhood called Ley Ramoun, and the circle is going tighter. And we're also seeing, in the meantime, more intensified airstrikes in this rebel-held area. Just yesterday, for example, one of the most brutal barrel bomb attacks targeted a neighborhood called Mashhad, and 29 people have lost their lives there, and it includes 10 children. So we are seeing a turning point in which the rebels there in Aleppo they seem to lose the fight if they don't receive any more support from their external allies in the region.
Okay, Ediz in Gaziantep, thank you for now.